Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on our color filter in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to turn on our color filter screen in Samsung Galaxy S22? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and under visibility enhancements we have our color filter. And first of all, we have to turn it on. Then we can change a fair bit here. Also, we can change the opacity of our color filter from 20 to 60 max, as you can see on this scale. And now we can safely go back to our main menu. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.